Serving others is the key to building a strong, more connected society where everyone contributes to the common good.
True service is not about seeking recognition but about making a genuine difference in someone else's life. Thank you.
Important rule in our life. Discipline means rules and regulations. Discipline improves our personality.
Discipline is to develop a mindset and healthy body you need to maintain.
I want to talk about courage. Courage is a thing which gives confidence to people and try its best. Confidence is the one who tries to people to make improvement. Improvement can make a people helpful in his life. Without courage, word is based on confidence, belief and fact. It is not only just word, it is the important part of